Hi guys, Bobby D here. So we're now going to sort of get into the crux of the training. So I've already spoke about we're going to be driving free traffic. That's going to take you 20 minutes a day to a squeeze page, which will then take you to a bridge page, which will then take you to a sales page. And to do that, obviously we need some hosting. Now, you don't need hosting. You don't need an autoresponder. What you can do is just send your free traffic to your sales page. But the reason I don't recommend that, it still works, but the reason I don't recommend that is you're not getting the subscriber's email. And as you've heard a million times, the money's in the list and we want to build up your subscribers. So what I'm going to show you now is the way I recommend it, but the bottom line is if you don't have the money to do some hosting, you don't need it. You can do your free traffic, which we'll come on to later, and send it straight to your using your affiliate link straight to the sales page. But again, I don't recommend that. So there are tons and tons of hosting websites out there. GoDaddy, HostGator, Bluehost, there's loads. I use a company called SiteGround. Okay, this is the best company out there for a number of reasons. They have the cheapest hosting rates and the customer service is 100%. It's 24 hours, it's online chat, and they don't just fix things for you, they normally do it themselves. I used to be on HostGator. I was on HostGator for about 4 years, and you'd report a problem, and what they would do is just send you a link, and you'd have to work it out yourself, which half the time you couldn't. But these guys at SiteGround take you by the hand, and they'll take you through it, and if you can't do it, they'll do it. I cannot tell you how good they are. And the best bit is the pricing. So when you're starting up, there's a number of packages. There's the startup package, which is one website, $2.75 a month, and that's if you pay up front. Otherwise it's $8.95. The Grow Big, which is what I use, is $3.95 a month, or the Go Geek is $7.95. So for me, I would recommend Grow Big because you can link a number of different domains to it. So you could have 20 basically websites running off this hosting. You can have as many as you want. You get 20 gig of web space, which is, you're not going to use it, and it's suitable for 25,000 visitors a month, which is a lot. It's $3.95 a month up front. Otherwise it's $14.95 a month. So you need to really pay it up front, which is going to cost you like $35. So Grow Big is the one I recommend, but if you don't want to do that, just start at $2.75. You can upgrade at any time as well. So you can start at $2.75 and then hop across to $3.95. For me, I'm an affiliate marketer. I would only ever use this one. I don't even need the Go Geek. Grow Big is massive for me. So once you sign up to it, it's like every other hosting company. It's got everything you can need on here. Emails, file managers, FTP accounts, Wordpress, which auto installs. It does everything for you. Okay. Like I said, it's definitely the best hosting company there is. And the best bit is they do lots of stuff for you. If you're currently with a different hosting company, say HostGator, for example, and you join SiteGround, they will automatically transfer all your website over. So it will work 100% onto their new server. They do it all for you. Honestly, it's unbelievable. So this is what I recommend, guys. Obviously, you don't have to listen to me. Go with HostGator is good, although I think that's about $14 a month. This is definitely the cheapest company. It's definitely the best service. I've got not one bad word to say about it. There's a link below here if you want to click that, which will take you to SiteGround, or you can just look it up on the internet. It's siteground.com. Siteground.co.uk. And that's it, guys. It's that simple. So you need some hosting. And this also has WordPress built into it, so you can upload it all in literally in one click. It takes a couple of minutes. So that's just a real short video on hosting. I'll do another one on Aweber in a minute. But for me, this is the best hosting to get. Cheers.